guys, this is Ravi. Well, this time around I'm doing a Marathi movie trailer reaction, and the movie's name is YZ. YZ sounds a little weird, right? It's very uncommon to hear, right? I don't know what YZ actually means. Well, this movie's trailer reaction has been suggested by almost many of my Marathi subscribers. Thanks guys. It's been a long time that I've even done a Marathi movie trailer reaction, because I was not I was not able to get the exact subtitles. Even though I was watching the trailers or teasers, I was not able to understand them fully. I somehow felt that I was not justifying with explanations and all. So that's why I did not prefer uploading them, because they might hurt sentiments of some people. That is why. Well, the movie stars Sai Tamankar, Sagar Deshmukh, Akshay Tansale. I'm not sure about their genre. I watched this trailer, but I could not really get what the main actors were talking about. So I requested a subtitle version, and there were a couple of folks who were generous enough to give me that subtitle version of the trailer. So as always, let's watch it and I'll talk more about it.
एकदा तुम्हाला म्हणाला होतास, आयुष्य ही जर का मॅच धरली तर त्यातले हायलाइट शोधा. आत्तापर्यंत मला फक्त दोनच हायलाइट्स दिसतात, एक तू आणि मी अबब उर्फ गजानन पोपट होरं हा माझ्या जगण्याचा अविभाज्य भाग आहे.
तुला सांगायचंच राहिलं, मला 2 बाग आहेत.
का?
आशीर्वाद.
काय ग?
Two babas as in two dads.
तुम्हाला माहिती काय काय टॉयलेट आहे, टॉयलेट.
हे टॉयलेट नाहीये, लेडीज टॉयलेट आहे.
आरती आहे ना? गजा, कंट्रोल हा. पण व्हॉट्स प्रॉब्लेम?
सेक्शुअल असणार काही.
तुमचा प्रॉब्लेम ना मला कळलाय सर. तुम्हाला वायझेड बनवलं पाहिजे. म्हणजे वायझेड ही एक आर्ट आहे, आर्ट झाडा आहे, धुमाकूळ आहे, आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं वायझेड हा एक ॲटिट्यूड.
ओके,
गुडघ्यावर बोटं फिरवली गुलगुल्या झाल्या की समजायचं माणूस वर्जिन आहे.
पण मी वर्जिन नाहीच आहे, मी कॅप्रिकॉर्न आहे.
मला स्वप्न वासदत्ता सांगा प्लीज.
वास नाटक चक्रे पीछे के चित्ते परीक्षितुम स्वप्न वासव दत्तस्य दाहको भुन पावका. पाठ आहे पाठ.
सर तुमचा सिलेबस मध्ये नाही, सब्जेक्ट मध्येच गोल.
मला ना तिला तोडायचंय.
अहो मोठ्यांनी बोला, काय ऐकू येत नाही, बोला.
What the fuck? Oh, it already got released.
आता नको, 11:30 आई बाबा आता कळलंच नाही की माझा प्रॉब्लेम काय आहे.
Why sir?
शेट तुम्हाला खरं सांगू का, आपल्या प्रत्येकात आहे ना एक लहान छोटं खरं वर्जन लपलेलं असतं. आपल्याला पाहिजे तसं जगणार, पण मग हळूहळू आपल्याला शिंग फुटायला लागतात आणि आपण लोकांचं ऐकायला लागतो आणि त्याला गप्प बसवतो.
Exactly.
आपल्या त्या जुन्या खऱ्या वर्जनला एकदा बोलवलं पाहिजे.
Not possible always, right? I somehow like the last dialogue. Every one of us have got some real version within us, right? So as we grow up, we start listening to people around us. Okay, so coming to the movie, I think the story is more like this. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is about a guy who's probably in his a little old, probably somewhere around 30s or 40s. So I think he's not so confident in meeting women or approaching or talking to women. There's something related to sexuality and marriage, I believe, because there are certain scenes in which he is trying to approach a woman and she's thinking else. She's thinking something else, and he's not so confident. He's someone who's very pure and somebody who's like who's very calm and innocent, I believe. So as a part of his life journey, he's probably working as a teacher or a lecturer in a college, and he comes across a student who is more confident in these kinds of matters, and he's probably giving that gyan to his teacher and improving his confidence and all, right? And probably he grows up to be more confident in talking to women. There are certain good scenes that I believe that we're talking or pinpointing about his innocence. That's what is the most humor about, I guess. I'm not sure about how relatable it would be, but the taking is looking very fast and it's not boring, right? The taking is very fast. Probably the movie is also cut in a similar kind of a way, because these kinds of movies which are constantly focusing on sexuality or probably comedy, to be more specific, need to be very crisp. If it is too dragging also, it will not entertain us to a very large extent, right? And the actors look like they are very very good. I'm not sure about the complete Marathi actors, because I haven't watched too many of Marathi movies, but I'm trying to learn more about them. And I've heard there are very huge number of theatre artists in Marathi movie industry, which are not so commonly known in Bollywood or probably other movie industries. But yes, the actors are looking very confident. The first time when I watched the trailer, I had a completely different notion about the movie, but luckily now that I have understood what they were talking about, I really could understand at least a little bit of the movie. Specifically speaking, like I said, I like the last dialogue. Yeah, everybody should know about that, right? Everybody is born with some inner character, and yeah, as you start growing it, that always gets suppressed, and you start listening to people around you. So it's like wo char log kya kahenge, something like that, right? So anyways, you should listen to people around you because they are all experienced in some cases, but not always. Sometimes you will have to think from your own conscience, right? Well, I don't want to be preachy here. Anyways, do let me know about your honest reviews about the movie. Looks like this is very humorous and entertaining. So that's more about it. Thanks a lot for the suggestion, and I'm really looking forward for more Marathi movie trailers and more Marathi movies. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.